Hey guys, Nomad's 12 here. Today we have a 1980 36-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. I bought this fan from Charles Smith at the Fanimation March 23rd group trip 2019. I had to get blade screws and I took it apart and cleaned it by have to take it apart again and clean the shaft better, but whatever. Anyway, it's oiled and stuff, so it's a 2-speed fan. Here's low speed. Believe it or not, it doesn't look too small to ceiling, but it's 36-inch. I think it looks pretty good. Plus some pretty good air on low. It's not a very slow low, of course, because it's a 36-inch original, so that's no surprise. Anyway, here's high speed. If I could actually focus. Plus some pretty good air. I mean, it's an original, so it doesn't surprise me. By the way, I got 13 fans at Fanimation. Most are ever stacked, or 2 of them, including this one, are oil bath. It's a very good fan. For its size, I can feel it all the way back here, pretty much. So yeah. Pretty good fan. It needs a little, probably repainted a bit, but whatever. Has a pretty slow spin down, or a pretty fast spin down. I mean, well, fast compared to most originals. Well, anyway, I think that will be it for now. So, No Bones 12 out.